how to download YouTube app in your laptop or PC desktop. As you can see in my laptop, you can see the app of YouTube. First of all, I have to delete this one. So first of all, open any browser and go to search bar and search there youtube.com. When you search, then just press enter. After pressing enter, here you can see the interface of YouTube. And then just click on these three dots. When you click on it, on under extension option, you can see the option of install YouTube, but I am not unable to see that option. Just press on side and here you can see install option of that. Just click on that option. When you click on that option, you can see the install option of YouTube. Just click on it. When you click on it, your YouTube will be installed on your PC and you can pin your taskbar by clicking it. And I am just minimizing, and here you can see my YouTube has been added to my desktop. And this is a tutorial how we can add YouTube in our laptop or computer desktop.